Welcome to our assembly and installation room. This is where precision meets efficiency to bring our products to life. Here, our skilled technicians work with a variety of tools and high-quality components to ensure every piece is perfectly assembled. Every assembly process is meticulously planned and executed, ensuring that each product meets our rigorous standards. Quality control is key. Each product undergoes thorough inspection to guarantee that it performs flawlessly. Once assembled, our team moves to the installation phase, making sure everything is set up correctly and operates smoothly. From start to finish, we're committed to excellence in every step of the process, ensuring that our clients receive top-quality products and services. Thank you for taking a tour of our assembly and installation room. We're proud of the work we do and excited to bring you innovative solutions. For more information, you can visit our website or email me at the email address on the screen.